guys, welcome back to another Roblox video, and today we are playing Bloxburg, and I've actually finished my iCarly apartment, so I wanted to show you. Also, sorry for the big silent intro, for like the first few seconds, because I was looking for my mic. Anyways, here we are, here's the hall. This place doesn't go anywhere. And nor does Freddy's anymore. But let's go into Carly's and see. So I use the exact same thing I used before. Jump on top of here, there's new steps. And you can go just right behind here, and there's nothing to see there. And here's the kitchen. This time I did a better job on doing the floor in here. My character's getting tired. But anyways, over here is the fridge. It's these shelves, which I did not know what to put. Here in the green stove. And you can go in here and you can just like, there's no exit anywhere. Like, this is apparently supposed to be an exit in the show. Yeah, if you were hoping for the revival, I'm sorry, but I like the original better, so I decided to do the original. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and comment, subscribe. Bye.